Hello YouTubers, DIYDan here, and today we're going to be working on my 85 MR2. We're going to be replacing one of the motor mounts down here. I'll show you. Because it's more or less a transmission mount. So we're going to be doing this one right here. Got a brand new one in the box. I don't know if this is going to be a step-by-step, but maybe I'll give you tips on how to do yours. So let's get started. First thing I did is I jacked the car up. I like to use the inner frame rail to jack the car up. And then I set the rear tire on some bricks here. So that should give me enough room to go in there and loosen these two bolts up there and the one main one that goes through it. So I have the transmission supported, so now I'm going to start loosening the bolts to the mount here. I'm going to attempt to loosen this bolt and nut right here. These things are pretty rusty and old, so we'll see what happens. Please don't break. It's coming. Nice. All right. If you're doing this job, make sure you order new bolts. I did not do that. That was dumb of me. All right, so we got that loose. So I think what I'm going to do now is we're going to try and loosen these ones up here. These are the ones that scare me the most. So I already started kind of loosening them, but they felt like only the heads were moving. So these might actually break. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Please don't break. So these are just 14 millimeters bolts. And let's hope and pray they don't break. Yeah, it just seems really easy to move all of a sudden. Don't break, please don't break, please don't break. Well, holy cow, look at that. Wow. And that's Toyota quality for you. 35 years old and still doesn't crack or break. Unbelievable. Oh wow, that's beautiful. That's a thing of beauty. Let's see if we get lucky on the other side. Oh man, come on. Oh. Yeah, I don't like the way it's feeling. So I'm gonna go back and forth. I'm gonna loosen it and then tighten it. And just slowly back it out that way. I'm gonna go back to tightening it back again. All right, I think we might be in business. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Wow, I can't believe that didn't break. Holy mackerel. Well, that's why they didn't break. Look how clean those are on the end. It's just only the ends of them that look 35 years old. The threads look perfect. All sealed up. That one's not too bad either. Got a little bit of a rust spot on there. So we just gotta remove the rest of that one and I can swap it out. Okay, just gonna remove this last bolt. So the rubber's got some cracking right there. I don't know if you can, how well you can see that, but it was causing this whole mount to sag. See how it's torn right there? So it's definitely due for replacement. Just wish I would have ordered new bolts. Maybe I'll put it back together with the old bolts and then go inside and order some brand new ones and swap them out later. This kind of stuff bugs me. Alright, let's get the new one. My brand new shiny one. Put this in first. And get it started. Alright. And now we'll do the top bolts. I mean, this is really an easy DIY project. I mean, this is going to take me 15 minutes to do. Pretty remarkable. Here's the finished product. I was a little confused by the Toyota shop manual as the bolts they had specified for my rear mount were different from the ones that were installed in my car, so I played it safe and torqued them to 40 foot-pounds. Unfortunately, I was unable to do an install video for the front mount that is located here, as the one I purchased somehow grew legs and walked off. Installing this rear mount took me all of 20 minutes to install and was extremely easy to do. Hopefully this video will give you the confidence to replace the mount in your MR2. If you would like to see more MR2 related videos, make sure you hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. So long.